session token.
Mhm.
So once we run the extension, it will create a web engine folder, which includes your scripts, styles, and views.
Okay, cool.
And also, the file details is also included on the, will be append on the zesty-JSON, which is the instance views, styles, and script.
Okay, very cool.
So right now we can create a script. For example, we create a script test.js. So we will have notification like file has been synced into the instance. So if we view our instance, which is this, we refresh this, you can see the test.js is included.
Awesome. And does that sync on save or not yet?
Yes, it's also syncing on the same. So for
Okay, cool.
example, I add the alert test. You see the zoo width has been updated and synced
Uh,
to
nice.
and sync. So if we refresh this test, the alert is there.
Cool. And if you preview the instance, it should alert you, right?
Yeah, yes.
Excellent. Hell yeah, man. That's great.
So for example, this is the sample set.
Mhm.
So if we go to the home page and try to, for example, let's add a new style, test.css. Let's target the test. Folder. See, notification is still there. And if we refresh this, so
Awesome. That's excellent. Nice work. Yeah, so that's the foundational element outside of the interface then. That's excellent.